Guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Easter Dollar Tree DIY for you. I wanted to do bright burlap for Easter and gingham, so I picked up some of the gingham Easter bunnies from the Dollar Tree, some of their pink, white, and turquoise striped burlap, and one of these little wood signs, just a rectangular sign. And I don't really like the fact that the frame of these is just exposed like MDF. So I'm just going to brighten mine up with a little white paint first just to make that look a little bit more finished, but I love the signs themselves. And then I'm just going to replace the hanger now that I have it painted. I like to knot these in the front. I find that it works a little bit better, and replace the hanger. This is going to be such an easy DIY. I did want to add some spring colors to it to kind of match the color scheme I'm going for on this project. So I'm using Dollar Tree wood beads in white, pink, and turquoise. I think this is going to really look really cute and bring some color to the hanger as well. I just finished that off by knotting that on the other side, and now we can cover the background with this burlap. I think this is so pretty. I love the different varieties of burlap from the Dollar Tree. I hope they continue to put out new kinds. I'm not really sure what's going on with Dollar Tree right now with the no shore living, and I find that my crafting supplies have been a little bit too limited lately. But I found this great fabric and I'm going to use it. So I cut out a rectangular shape to fit the back of my sign. This is going to bring a lot of color and texture back here. I just do a thick layer of Mod Podge on the back and simply layer burlap on front, smoothing that on with just a paper towel. And you don't have to seal it on top, but I really wanted mine to stay on there, so I went over mine with some more Mod Podge. And that will dry clear. Now for the bunny rabbits. I'm going to do 3. I like to work with odd numbers, and I want it to be like a little pennant garland in front here. And so I'm just going to use some twine and string these. Just attaching to the back of the ears with some hot glue and making sure I have them evenly spaced. And I can string that where they're hanging down in front of the sign. And just really cute. I love how all of these colors work together. I love pastels for springs, but I really love gingham. I've done a lot of gingham DIYs this year on my channel, and this is one that goes really well with those. So I just attached it to the back with a staple gun, a little hot glue so it doesn't, fray too far out. Then I thought they needed bunny tails, so I'm going to use some of that pom-pom garland from the Dollar Tree in pink, cut off 3 and give them all bunny tails. Aren't they so cute? I love how this DIY turned out. It was really easy to make. And if you would like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.